Hello friends, I am Pratima. I welcome you all to my channel. I am so uh, thankful to all subscribers. Today I have taken a Maths Olympiad challenge from algebra. Find the roots of the polynomial qx, which is 1 plus 2x plus 3 times of x square plus 4 times of x cube plus 5 times of x power 4. So the syntax of question is very uh, interesting. So let's proceed. So I'm writing the polynomial as 5x power 4 plus 4x power 3 plus 3x power 2 plus twice x plus 1, arranging in according to their degree. Now since this is a polynomial of degree 4, it may be factorized as 2 quadratic polynomial. So for this, let this be 1 plus ax plus bx square and 1 plus cx plus dx square. Now rewriting in a general form, I can write bx square plus x plus 1 and your dx square plus cx plus 1. When I'll multiply, I'm getting b dx power 4 and here AD plus BC x cube plus AC plus B plus D x square plus A plus C x plus your 1. Now let us compare the coefficients. First is BD equals to 5. Second is AD plus BC equals to 4. Then your AC plus B plus D equals to 3. A plus C equals to 2. So from these four equations, we'll try to get A, B, C, D. So it's better to take this one. When the product of B and D equals to 5, that means either B equals to 1, D is equal to 5, or B is equal to 5, D is equal to 1. Now let's the case 1. B is equal to 1, D is equal to 5. That time, here I can put here in equation AC plus B equals to 1 plus D is equal to 5 equals to your 3. I'm putting in this equation. This gives us product of AC equals to negative 3. Now A plus C equals to your 2. Then I can put here also the same second equation, or there are many methods you can solve it. A into D, D is equal to 5. So 5A plus B into C, B is equal to 1 plus C equals to 4. I'll solve these two equations. I'll get 4 times of A equals to, subtracting, we'll get 2. Then A is equal to half. And when A is equal to half, A plus C is 2. So C is equal to 2 minus half equals to 3 by 2. So one set of values we got, that is your A equals to half, B is equal to 1, C is equal to 3 by 2, and D is equal to 5. Similarly, if we take the case 2, B equals to 5, D is equal to 1, that time we get A plus 5c equals to 4 and a plus c equals to 2. Solving this, I'll get 4 times of c is equal to 2, or c is equal to 1 by 2, and your a equals to 3 by 2. There the values will be a is equal to 3 by 2, b is equal to 5, c is equal to half, d is equal to 1. So next, writing in the equation, when d is equal to 5, the equation we took as bx square plus ax plus 1, and here dx square plus cx plus 1. This equation will be x square plus half x plus 1, and here 5x square plus 3 by 2x. This is c, by mistake I have taken 3x plus 1. And when I am taking second one, here I'll get 5x square plus 3 by 2x plus 1 and x square plus half x plus 1. So ultimately we are getting the factorization. So now I am writing the factorization qx, the polynomial 5x to the power 4 plus 4x cube plus 3x square plus twice x plus 1 equals to your x square plus half x plus 1 and 5x square plus 3 by 2x plus 1. Now solving this to find the roots. First is, when I'm taking x square plus half x plus 1, either this equals to 0, or I'll get 2x square plus x plus 2 equals to 0. That time x is equal to minus 1 plus minus b square minus 4ac, 1 minus 4 over 4. This equals to negative 1 plus minus of 4ac, 4 into 4, oh sorry, this will be 16. So this will be root 15I over 4. And if I'll the second one, your 5x square plus 3 by 2x plus 1 equals to 0, or this will be 10x square plus 3x plus 2 equals to 0. That time x is equals to negative 3 plus minus b square, 9 minus 4 into 280 over 4. This equals to negative 3 plus minus root 71I over 4. So the x is equals to 2 values, 4 values, root 15I by 4 and negative 1 root 71I over 4. So I hope you have enjoyed. Thank you for watching.